Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So what you have to do is to just go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, record screen. By tapping on it once, you can start recording. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, here you can select if you want to record your microphone. You can change video quality, and you can set your recording time. And by tapping on record now, recording starts. Let's record some of our screen, for example some of the settings. If you want to stop recording, just tap on this stop button here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. And here it is. Let's record some of our screen. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.